Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we try to find the technique of determining the formula of the given coordination compound. For example, FeCO times. We should know the value of X, then we will be able to write the formula for this complex. Similarly, NiCO times, molybdenum COX times. We will have to find the value of X. Here the number returns are, this is the atomic number of Fe, this is the atomic number of nearest noble gas for Fe, which is krypton. Similarly, this is atomic number of nickel. This is the atomic number of nearest noble gas for nickel, which is krypton. And this is the atomic number of molybdenum, which is 42. And the atomic number of nearest noble gas for this is xenon, whose atomic number is 54. Friends, here one rule is there, which is known as effective atomic number rule, that is EAN rule, which is equal to Z minus X plus 2 into coordination number. Remember this, effective atomic number is equal to Z atomic number of the metal atom or the ion minus X stands for, this is atomic number, this is oxidation state, this is 2 into coordination number. This is the coordination number that we will have to find it out. Well, this must be equal to the atomic number of the nearest noble gas element. This is a simple technique that we have to use it. Let's use it for Fe. Okay. Here for Fe, EAN value will be equal to how much? Krypton, which is 36. 36 is equal to Z of Fe. How much it is? 26 minus oxidation state. CO is a neutral ligand, therefore all CO have got 0. That means oxidation state will be 0 in all the cases. Okay. It is a 0 plus 2 into coordination number we do not know, let it be X. So it means that 36 is equal to 26 plus 2x. This implies that 2x is equal to 36 minus 26, which is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 5. And this implies that the formula is FeCO 5 times. Iron pentacarbonyl. Its IUPAC name is pentacarbonyl iron 0. Pentacarbonyl iron 0. Okay. Next, let us take this. Okay, for nickel, the nearest noble gas is krypton, whose atomic number is 36. It means that 36 must be equal to atomic number of nickel, 28, minus 0 plus 2 into x. Well, this implies that 2x is equal to 36 minus 28. How much it will be? 8. And therefore, x will be equal to 4. And this implies that the formula is NiCO 4 times. Clear? Its name is tetracarbonyl nickel 0 or nickel tetracarbonyl. Okay. For molybdenum, the atomic number of nearest noble gas is its EAN value, which is 54. That means 54 must be equal to Z of Mn is 42 minus 0 plus how many? 2 into X value. And this implies that 2x is equal to 54 minus 42. And this value will be how much? 8 plus 4, 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. This implies that the formula for this compound is molybdenum CO, how many times? 6 times. Clear? Thank you.